Just started my climb on the diversionary road, and I almost turned back at Ormoc because of the rain. I'm glad I didn't, because the weather's going to be kind of like this for the next month or so, or maybe for the next, yeah, they say it's kind of like this at this time of the year. It's starting to climb up into the higher part of the mountain pass, and the weather turned out to be really, really good. Might be coming down hard when I get back to Ormoc, but these rivers in the rainy season, they must be raging. There's so much rain that comes down. Anyway, back on the bike. On my way to Isabel. I'm gonna stop in a pizza place there. Grab myself a pizza.